If you want to take a short detour and see a small but unique and interesting shrine while strolling the busy Namba area, I recommend going to Namba Yasaka Shrine. It is located just less than 10 minutes on foot from Namba Nankai Station or 15 minutes from the Tombori area. Entering the shrine doesn't require any fee, and if you wish, you can take photos as much as you want. The buildings inside the shrine are post-war reconstructions since the original buildings were destroyed during the war. There are cherry blossom trees standing beautifully around the area, and that is why this place is more packed with visitors during springtime. What makes this place really interesting is that the shrine has this huge lion head stage called Shishiden, or Emaden to some people, measuring 12 meters high and 11 meters wide. With the lion's mouth wide opened, it is believed that it swallows evil spirits and brings good luck. Therefore, the place is also very popular among business people or students studying for exams. Also, if you want to see a huge tug-of-war competition, make sure to drop by the shrine during its annual festival, which is held every third Sunday of January. Enjoy!